Hello everyone and welcome you all to another tutorial on DaVinci Resolve. So in last class we have basically learned about how we can add or how we can adjust the music at the audio level. And here in this class we are going to learn about how to do the color grading. So this is actually the best part about DaVinci Resolve and which actually makes it special when we try to compare it with other video editing softwares. So here, as I have selected this frame, here you can see I have two frames. One is of the B footage and another one is the primary footage. So here, if I go back, here is the information and here is the scopes option. So once I click the scope options, I'll have something like this. Okay. So basically this column or this box is for the colors. So here, which you can see this shades, if while adjusting our this video or the frame, if this colors goes beyond zero, this side, then we need to understand that we are losing some object, like we are scattering the picture or we are over darkening it. And the same goes with the top line. If our this image or this material goes above this point, above this box, then we need to know that we are over expressing or we are just making it kind of more white. So here I do have few options. As you can see, here I have the boost, the shade and everything here. And here we can just leave the colors, the gamma, the gain and the offset. So what we can do is we'll click here with the mouse and we'll adjust it. So as you guys can see, when I'm adjusting this one, my picture here is fading. It's just lifting it. And if I want it to be kind of dark, I can go here and here the same way I can lift the image a bit. And here I can darken it. And here, this is the midpoint. Here we can overexpose or here we can darken our time frame or the video frame. And here, if we want, okay, I want to just take it to something in the greenish side, I can do that from here. As you can see, when I'm moving the mouse, I'm taking it in the greener side. And in the same way, if I want to take it something in the reddish side, I can take this as well. And it goes on with all the colors. So as you can see in my frame, the changing of colors. So I'll just keep it like this only. And here we also do have the saturation, the shade and everything, which we can change from here. Here we can just change something as such. We can do all that. So I won't be needing this. So after that, once we're satisfied with what we have done here, the color grading when it looks good for us, then what we'll do is right click here and I'll just grab still. So here you can see I do have the frame coloring and here it's only applied in the first one. So if I want to put the same effect in the second one as well, so I'll just choose this frame here. I'll come here and I'll right click and I'll just apply grade. So here you can see I do have the same settings and everything here as well. And suppose we have a few more like 7, 8 or more than that frames here. So basically what we'll do, we'll come here in the node which already have the settings what I have set here. I'll right click and I'll just select the key Control plus C. So which is copy, and basically with Control we'll select both this or how many we want to put that grade in. So we'll just select with Control and we can just paste it over that. So basically with that, we can actually paste in a very easy way the same kind of frame resolution or the same kind of coloring in all our frames. So once we are done with this and once we are done with the color grading and also the color correction, the last things which we need to do is to export, which we are going to learn in the next class. So hope you guys have understood how to do a basic level of color grading. So hope to see you guys in the next class where we'll be learning about exporting. And after that, I'll be showing you guys many more advanced ways of how to actually work in this DaVinci Resolve.